Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to take a screenshot, so let's see how can you do this. This is the first way. You just have to scroll down your control center and here you will get a take a screenshot option. Just tap on it to take a screenshot. If you want to get it, just tap on the edit icon, then tap on edit, and here just look for take screenshot, then tap on that icon and you'll get that take a screenshot here. Just tap on done, then done again to add screenshot icon here. So after that, here's the second way. Just open settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility option. Just tap on it, then tap on interaction and dexterity. Enable the assistant menu from here and you will get that movable ball. When you want to take a screenshot, just tap on it, then tap on screenshot to take a screenshot. So you can easily get your screenshot in your gallery. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot on your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.